So this is my first vlog, and in this vlog I want to give you a few tips and tricks about Sbmptn exams, or now it's called Utbk. Before I had to participate last year, so now I'm studying at National Pembangunan University at Yogyakarta in Information Systems. Well, I want to share with you about tips and tricks I did last year. So let's check it out. So the first and foremost is prepare your mentally and material about lessons that will be tested. The second is take your health. It will be fine if you have studied hard, but at the time of the examination you will not feeling well to the exam, so keep healthy. The third, prepare you enough tools during the exam. The day before the test, you must have prepared the tools needed during the exam, so will not bother to search the tools. Fourth is, don't forget you have the breakfast before going to exam. This is important things that you cannot miss, because if your exam it requires a lot of energy, so you must breakfast before you going. Don't miss it. Fifth, don't forget to say goodbye to your parents before you're going to the location of exam. It's ask your parents to blessings you, because prayer is more effective thing. Next, take a deep breath and calm yourself before the test begins. And don't forget to pray first. It is important, so please pay attention for this. And answer your question, you have to know which one you can do it easily, which one you can do it little difficult, and which one it's difficult. So it will greatly for your time management. Then make the target time working on one subject. Example, you want to do basics and 10 minutes with 5 questions. If you have 10 minutes but you've not reached 5 questions, then leave it, because there are still many questions is waiting you. And then if you all finish the question, leave 5 minutes from the whole time to check again, like self-data, and others will be rechecked. But at least after the exam is over, you can immediately go home, then take a break from yourself, because your brain and your body have worked very hard all this time. Well, so this little bit tips and tricks for you who want to take the exam. Hopefully the exam will be smooth and working of the question, and getting the maximum results can be accepted this at your dream universities. It's enough. Next time maybe I will make next vlogs, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.